Hello kids, welcome to
Phonics channel.
I hope you all are good. Today we will study the phonic sound of S. S says sir. S says
Sir,
children, see, this is capital S and this is lowercase s. Now let's learn few vocabulary of letter S. S for sun, sir, sun.
S for sun, star, sun.
Sun is very hot and sun rises in the east and sets in the west. S for star, sir, star.
S for star, star, star.
Stars twinkle at night. S for spider, sir, spider.
S for spider, sir, spider.
Incy Wincy spider lives in a web.
Incy Wincy spider lives in a web.
S for seven, sir, seven.
S for seven, sir, seven.
This is number 7. S for 6, sir, 6.
S for six, sir, six.
This is number 6. S for spoon, sir, spoon.
S for spoon, sir, spoon.
We eat food with the help of spoon. S for scissor, sir, scissor.
S for scissors, sir, scissors.
Scissors are used to cut papers. But children, you are very small kids, so you don't use scissors by your own because it can hurt you.
Okay.
S for snail, sir, snail.
S for snail, sir, snail.
Snail has soft body and has no legs. And snail's body is covered by a shell. And children, snails move very slowly. S for seahorse, sir, seahorse.
S for seahorse, sir, seahorse.
Seahorses are very unique. They have unusual shape and they lives in water. S for soap, sir, soap.
S for soap, sir, soap.
We wash hands with soap. And children, you know there is a COVID pandemic, and if we have to fight from virus, we should always wash our hands very oftenly. S for snake, sir, snake.
S for snake, sir, snake.
Snake is very poisonous and snake makes a sound of hiss.
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 S for sailboat, sir, sailboat.
S for sailboat, sir, sailboat.
Sailboat is a sailing boat smaller than the sailing ships. S for sunglasses, sir, sunglasses.
S for sunglasses, sir, sunglasses.
When we go out in summers, we wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from the direct light of sun. And see, one new word we got from S, sir, summers. S for summers.
S for summers.
Thank you.
Thank you.